National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan until 7 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Quincy to 8 miles west of Pioneer to near Hicksville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
70-mile-an-hour winds.
Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hudson and Addison around 6:10 p.m. Cement City, Morenci, and Clayton around 6:15 p.m. Unstead around 6:20 p.m. Adrian around 6:25 p.m. Tecumseh and Clinton around 6:30 p.m. Blissfield and Britton around 6:35 p.m. Deerfield around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Seneca, Manitou Beach, Devil's Lake, Macon, Lime Creek, Munson, Ogden Center, Canandaigua, Ridgeway, Palmyra, and Tipton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: Lenawee, Michigan. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Severe thunderstorm watch 75 in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Rest of tonight, cooler.